Hi there. Today I am going to show you how to convert a CMYK image to any of Pantone colors. We have a 5-step formula here. First of all, we will open image in Photoshop. Here is the image, which is CMYK. You can see in the channels. The second step is image mode and convert the image into grayscale. Image mode, and we will convert it into grayscale. It will show notification of discard color information. We will hit OK. Now our image is in grayscale. Our third step is go to image mode dot on. Image mode, click here on dot on. It will show up a new panel. In this panel we will select the color. So here it is already selected a green Pantone 356C because I have lastly used this Pantone. Select book, choose Pantone, click here on the green. We will select book. Here it is solid coated Pantone, solid uncoated, whatever you want to choose you can select here. I am going with Pantone plus solid coated, and from this we can choose any of the Pantone. So it will show also preview here. Here it is another option, type Pantone code or use color picker. I am going to use here 356 coated color, so I will type 356. So it will show here 356 automatically. Hit OK. There is another option, color picker button here. How to use this picker button? So just click on this picker button. Your mouse will become eyedropper. We have opened two files vertically. One is this, we are working in it, and one is with the color we want to choose. So we'll select this color. It will automatically select here. Here is our 356 color. You can see in separation panel. 356C, 1925C, and this is the complete image in CMYK. Thanks for watching.